gentlemen, so right now we're headed to Puerto Barrios. We're on Monja Blanca, heading from Coban towards El Rancho. And in El Rancho, we are going to catch the Litegua. Here's Cheryl. We're 5 minutes away from El Rancho. We made a stop over here coming from Coban, headed towards El Rancho to catch our next connection on Litegua to head out to Puerto Barrios. So I just wanted to show you the scenery and the change of weather. Now, instead of being cold, freezing cold like in Coban, it's really warm. Not that bad though, but it's getting hot.
Oh my God, really? Are we doing this right now? I am not ready for camera right now.
Welcome to Livingston, ladies and gentlemen. We're here. All right. Look at this beautiful decor they have on the streets during Christmas and New Year's. It's such a nice view. Let's look back and see. And who do we see? We see Diane.
Look where we at. In Livingston. Look where we at. I had to come all the way to Livingston to see her. Right. This is what we doing 2005. We traveling.
Here we are arriving at Las Tres Garífunas, but it's closed. All right, we're here at Gamboa's place in Labuga Livingston. This is a traditional place that I've seen on several videos on YouTube with YouTubers coming to enjoy the delicious traditional food.
AKA Maria.
Maria Gamboa.
Yeah.
All right, good.
She has amazing food. I was here.
So we have good recommendations, and we believe that because I've seen it on videos as well.
So we're here in Livingston. Finally, we made it after this great long journey. And one of the things that we're doing this time around is we're going around and I am looking for my favorite bitters. So this is my first bitters while we're here in Livingston. We are at Maria Gamboa's place. This is the bitter that we're gonna try right now. If you can see, look at the body, look at the color. That's one of the things that we want to look for, a nice, beautiful color. You know, I mean, some of them are darker and everything like that, but I like a lighter color of bitters. That means that it's probably not that, you know,
strong,
you know. So I say bitters. Bitters is what we call it in English, but it's EPP and Garinagu. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to smell it. The aroma is good. I smell a little bit of aniseed in there, and it smells really, really good. So now for the taste, you could do it like a shot, or you could just take a little snip and drink it like a cognac. So I'm gonna taste it and just see how it tastes and see if this is one of the ones that I like.
¿Qué botellao?
Oh yeah, this is so smooth. Like I said, depending on the color. Oh yeah, for me too. So, so depending on the color, you know, it depends, you know, the color, the lighter the color, the more smoother it is. The darker the color, the more, you know, rough it is. But this one is a delicious. This is a really good bitters. I'm going to go ahead and do a full shot now because this sucker is good. So, and I'm going to do it with just a little bit of lemon. I'm not gonna do the salt, but I'm gonna go ahead. Cheers! Here's to you, my first bitters. Again, we are at Maria Cambola's place. This bitter I like a lot. This is like maybe 4 drum feet, okay? I'm loving this. Cheers.
And Maria's
So the-
not sponsoring nothing. And Maria's not sponsoring anything.
So Cheryl is rating this based on drums. So 5 drums is the best. You gave it 4 drums. Damn.
Yeah.
I like that.
I like that.
Well, let me get a drum.
Coco Loco.
It's not strong. That's why I added the real Venado to it. Now it tastes much better. I appreciate it. Thank you, brother.
Diane, what do you think?
Diane gonna need a shot. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, well, handle it. Handle it.
I mean, well, I don't. Good. Let me see the cup. Let me just get the rawness of it. Don't judge me, judge your mama.
Llévatela.
Okay.
That was mixed up.
Bueno.
And it tastes
All
better,
right.
right? Than what that was.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice, thank you. Bueno, buenas noches. Estamos aquí en Labuga Livingston. Estamos con Goulet Style. Y uno de los una de las personas que se encuentra aquí en Labuga Livingston que representa la cultura garífuna. Él toca en diferentes lugares, localmente también ha viajado a Francia y ha representado lo que es la cultura garífuna guatemalteca a nivel mundial. Entonces traemos un pequeño regalo, no es mucho, pero poco a poco vamos a ir creciendo y tal vez podemos hablar del futuro, ¿va? Para poder mejorar un poco. La música que ellos graban ya está bien, ¿verdad? Pero eso viene a darle un poquito más de sabor y es un drum pad que compramos, está nuevecito. Lo único que olvidamos fue el cargador, pero se lo vamos a hacer posible para que él pueda conectarlo y empezar a usarlo lo más pronto posible. Así es que Cheryl is going to do the handout of the drum pad to Goulet Style, uno de los productores. He's a producer. Garifuna music, and so hopefully this instrument will help them enhance the music. All right, so
on behalf of Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United, Gahfu, I would like to give you this opportunity to present this gift to you because we respect your music, we value you, and we support you. We are so proud of you to see a young Garifuna artist coming up. So this is our token of just showing you how much we appreciate you.
Seremos muy agradecidos con la organización Gahfu por ese aporte hacia el lugar como Gulfo. No solo es que es personal, sino que es para el grupo colectivo. Muchas gracias.
okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're here with Cheryl Morales.
We are here in Labuga. This is our first official full day. We arrived yesterday around maybe 6 o'clock. So, we were a bit tired from a long journey from Coban to here was like almost 12 hours. So we were extremely tired when we came, but we did stop by and eat, and we had some great delicious Garifuna food. And and just hanged out yesterday. So today we're gonna go. Today here in Labuga is Three Kings Day, celebrating the Three Kings. So we're gonna go to Mass, and then we're gonna watch the 1 hour on this day. Okay, so let's see our adventures for this today. Stay tuned indeed.
And we have Amy Enriquez dándonos un tour aquí. Say hello, Amy.
Hola. Ida Hiagi. Awan haya Labuga. Porque hizo un Labuga lumarón y toma Cheryl. Voy porque le mes y la diga uguñe Hawaii de Guanaro. Con la Día de Reyes, hace de babina a uguñe.
Su gusto.
Ahí son catelita tan.
Ajá, all right, leader down.
Last night we came like around 5, 6 o'clock, and we went to eat by Maria.
Buena comida.
We was with patrón de pista, by the pista we was drinking.
Hey, we should have been there.
We were drinking some kipiti.
Well, we need to do a party de despedida today. We have to.
Yes.
We have
Okay,
to.
okay.
We're gonna do that later on.
Okay.
All right, then.
All right.